When you take any PMI exam, whether it's a PMP, PMI-CP, or PMI ACP, or CAPM, you get results like that, which is a scale from needs improvements to above targets. And the wish of every person I met is, what is my exact score and what is my performance on each of the domains? Actually, the performance is here, but still it's a scale. We don't know exactly how many questions we get right out of how many questions are answered. And in this video, I'm going to give you a tip that you can use to find out the exact score for each of the domain and for the overall score as well. Let's get started and see together how we can do that. First, you can go to the CCRS platform and you can go directly to this link, which is ccrs.pmi.org/reporting/exam analysis. You can go to this exact dashboard. If you go to your PMI dashboard, click on report videos, and then on this interface, you click on exam analysis and you will be on this same link. In my case, I have 3 certificates from PMI. I have the ACP, the PMI-CP, Construction Professional, and the PMP. However, for certificates more than 5 years, like the PMP in my case, I cannot see the exam results. So you can only see the detailed results in the past 5 years. Let's go to the other certificate, which is the PMI-CP. And for the PMI-CP, I can see the results, but I need to go to this detailed page, which is under View Your Exam Report. And once I click on that, I get into this interface. All right, so here on this page, you do a right click, then inspect. And then you go here for sources and click on GS and score report data. And you find this file. And what we need here in this file is to copy this part, which is the variable result exams. And we copy this part and we are going to parse the data inside this document. So we are going to use ChatGPT to help us doing that, because if we don't use ChatGPT, let's see this raw information. You can see here that reading this information is not easy. You can find some piece of information, like for each domain, we can find the results. As you can see here, for contracts management, the correct count is 46. The incorrect count is 30, the unscored count is 10, etc. And you can see here the different analysis. What I did is creating Chatgpt prompt, or AI or generative AI prompt, and trying to create a table that resumes all these scores. And this is the prompt that I come with. And here below the content, we just paste the content of that file. And then I'm going to copy paste all this prompt and put it on ChatGPT. You come in here, you paste it, and you can click on enter and find the results. By the way, this prompt I'm going to put on the description box, so you can find this in the description box and copy it, okay? So let's click on enter, wait for little bit, then the result is something like that. As you can see here, I'm going to scale this a little bit. We have 4 domains for the PMI-CP. In the case of using this method for the PMP, we'll see 3 domains. And you can see here the incorrect count and scored count. For example, for the contracts management, I got 30 questions incorrect out of 86. But from this 86, there are 10 unscored. Therefore, there are only 67, which are scored questions. And I got 30 incorrect and 46 correct questions. So my score is 60% because I am able to reply correctly 46 questions out of 86. If we would like to verify this percentage, then we can do the math here and do the calculation, and you can see that my score is 60%. So this is how it is calculated. The raw score is how much answers I got correct, which is similar to the correct score. As you can see here, you can see that I am getting above target for all domains, and these are my correct answers, and these are the scored questions. Okay, so the final result is that I'm getting a score of 676, while the passing score is 600. And that's why I'm getting above target and I am passing this exam. So this is how you can get a detailed result for each of the domains and also get a detailed result of your overall exam. We can do the same thing for the PMI ACP and click on PMI ACP here. This is my exam report. We wait a little bit while it's processing. We'll try to do the inspection here. Go to sources, GS files, score report, and try to get the results here and do the same thing. Copy, paste, and I'm going to use the same prompt, just replacing the content here. And then I'm going to do Control A, Control C, and put the prompt on ChatGPT. Okay. And see how much results I'm getting for the ACP. So as you can see here, I'm getting for the 4 domains here, these are my results. And this is the passing score, which is 600. I'm getting 657, which is above target for the overall score for the ACP. So you can use this method and try to find out the exact score, which is really awesome, right? Just a final note here. I would like to thank this user for sharing this tip on Reddit group. So it's a credit for this user who shared about this method. Thank you so much.